Hello everyone, I'm just going to go straight into it about how I managed to run an LLM inside my Android device. As you can see in the video here, there is a demo of me actually running it, and it happened locally without any internet connection, purely only using my device capabilities. Now, before we start, I tested this on my device, which is a rooted Xiaomi Poco F3. It has 8GB of RAM, which I think is the minimum recommended amount that you need to run any LLM inside your device. Firstly, if you haven't done so, install Termux, and then inside there you will need to install proot and proot distro. After proot distro installed, you can run a command to install Ubuntu in it, which then we can log into. After that, we are going to use the amazing app called Ollama. You can find the information in GitHub or their website, but what we are trying to focus right now is installing Ollama on Linux just using a single line command they have provided. Ollama will be installed, and then you can run the command to start Ollama service. Here's the thing, you are going to swipe from the left of the Termux window to open up another session, and then you will need to log in again to Ubuntu using this newly opened session. Finally, we can start the command to run any model you want. You can see all the possible lists in Ollama website, but for now I will focus into tinyllama. This is because tinyllama is very fast, it doesn't require any high-end device to run, and then it still can be quite configurable. However, with very limited parameters, you can only expect so much out of its functionality. Well, since it's already running, you can actually start chatting with it. You can actually stop here though because it's already running. But here's the thing about tinyllama, it will keep generating on its own indefinitely. That is why we need to do some configuration on our tinyllama model. Here, as guided in Ollama GitHub website, we can actually create a model configuration file and then save it, which we can pull later using a command example. Here, for example, I put some parameters and some system configuration that the model will comply when we run it. Please ignore the seeds because I only just tried them and they give a fairly mixed result. I simply put it there so on demo in this video it doesn't just behave erratically and embarrass myself. Okay, now you can pull the model on your Termux terminal, and then you can apply the configuration file using the command. A new model will be created with the name you give. Don't forget to check your available models by running Ollama list command. Now you can run your new model and see if your configuration is enough for your use case. Well, I guess that's for now, and I hope this video is not too long for you or too hard to follow. If I don't reply you in the comments, I probably don't have the answer yet. Probably ChatGPT 4 is smarter than me anyway, so you can always ask them instead. Bye with W everyone.